Installing IPA files on iPhone and iPad is something many users want to do, especially when the app is not available on the App Store. But the problem is, most methods usually require a computer like Alt Store. And even some no-computer methods can be confusing because you still need third-party apps or extra setup steps. So in this video, I will guide you step by step on how to install IPA files directly on your iPhone or iPad using Apple JR. You don't need a PC, you don't need a Mac, and you don't need to jailbreak your device. Everything will be done directly from your iPhone or iPad using Safari. Now let's get started. To install IPA files directly on your iPhone or iPad, the first thing you need to do is open Apple JR from Safari. So first, open Safari on your iPhone or iPad, then go to applejr.net. After the website opens, you will see the Apple JR homepage. Now tap on Apple JR. After that, tap Install. A pop-up may appear asking if you want to allow the profile to be downloaded. Tap Allow. Once the profile is downloaded, go to your iPhone settings. At the top, you should see Profile Downloaded. Tap on it, then tap Install in the top right corner. Now the Apple JR profile has been installed successfully on your iPhone or iPad. Now, after the profile installation is complete, you should see the Apple JR icon on your iPhone or iPad home screen. Now tap on the Apple JR icon to open it. Inside Apple JR, go to the Signer tab. In this section, you will see IPA Signer. This is the tool we are going to use to install IPA files directly on iPhone or iPad. With this tool, you can upload your IPA file, sign it online, and then install it directly to your device without using a computer. So now, tap on the Upload button and choose the IPA file that you want to install. If you already have an IPA file saved on your device, select it from the Files app. But if you don't have any IPA file yet, open the IPA Library tab. From there, you can browse and find the IPA file you want to install. Once your IPA file has been uploaded successfully, you need to select a certificate from the list. You will see several certificate options available. For this step, I recommend selecting the first option because it usually works perfectly. After selecting the certificate, tap Sign IPA. Now wait for the signing process to complete. Once the signing process is finished, you will see the Install option. Now tap Install IPA. A pop-up will appear on your device asking if you want to install the app. Tap Install. After that, go back to your home screen and wait for the installation to begin. You should see the app icon appear on your home screen, just like when you install an app from the App Store. Wait until the installation is complete. Once it finishes, you can try opening the app. If the app shows an untrusted enterprise developer message, don't worry. That means the app is already installed, but you need to trust the certificate first. To fix that, open Settings, go to General, then open VPN and Device Management. Find the developer profile, tap on it, then tap Trust. After you tap Trust, your device may ask you to restart for the first time. If you see this message, just tap Restart and wait until your iPhone or iPad turns back on. Once your device has restarted, unlock your device and go back to Settings. If you see Profile Installation or a Profile Permission message, tap on it and allow the certificate to finish the setup. After the certificate is allowed, go back to your home screen. Now try opening the app again. This time, the app should open normally without showing the untrusted developer message. And that's it. You have successfully installed an IPA file directly on your iPhone or iPad using Apple JR without using a computer. The best part is, after you trust the certificate for the first time, you don't need to repeat this trust process again for every app. So, for the next IPA file, the steps will be much faster. You only need to go back to Apple Junior Signer, upload the IPA file, select the certificate, sign the IPA, and tap Install IPA. No need to restart again. No need to trust the certificate again. As long as you are using the same working certificate, you can install more IPA files directly on your iPhone or iPad. And that's how you can install IPA files directly on your iPhone or iPad using Apple Junior. With this method, you don't need a computer, you don't need a Mac, and you don't need jailbreak. Everything can be done directly from your device. The Apple Junior link is available in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.